Yo, you already know who it is, man. It's your boy Wall Street Shooter, and I'm coming in for the gang, gang, gang. You already know, man. Hey, Amazon. Amazon, talk to me. Talk to me if you got into the Amazon options this morning. I did. Notified the gang that we got in it as well. So I want to do my trade breakdown or trade recap, all solely based on Amazon. I played SPY as well too. Made a small gainer on that, but I made two trades on Amazon, both call plays, and I'm gonna break them down with you real quick. Let me go ahead and look up at the screen and let's get into it, baby. So as y'all know, Amazon last week, board of directors agreed upon the 20-to-1 split. Amazon closed Friday about $2,400. Today it opened up at 125, and surprisingly, for some of those, we saw a move down, which was just a little bounce. So I was very patient, like I told y'all in my strategy going into this split, that I was going to be very patient. I wasn't going to jump the gun as soon as it started or opened up at bell unless there was like some confirmation for a good run. So when we open up here on this red candle at 6:30, you can see that we actually opened at 125.25 and we got as low as 124.05. I actually made the call out to the Discord at $24.50. So roughly around this support line here. But I didn't make it on this candle. I made it on the second candle. And I noticed that we didn't break, nor did that candle was full. You see this wick on this candle, very long. I knew there was some buyers into this play, and I jumped in this play at 24.50. Did a call for 126 strike, and we ran it all the way up to about 710, and I was about 50, 53, 55% good. Notice that we got kind of light. The volume showed heavy, which I was confident enough to get out of the play and get back into the play from the pullback to the 9. We was heavily extended from the 9 EMA. And I tell anybody in my Discord, I'm a true believer. Anytime that we're extended away from that 9 EMA, which is my yellow line here, we have to come back. It's like a gravity test, right? It's muscle memory for a price action. So I knew that we were going to come back and retest that. I saw that it was really indecisive on this candle. So I decided to get out of this candle, secure my profits at 50 something. I think it was like 53%. 53% profit. Awesome. Made a quick, nice little bag off that. But I watched for the retest. I knew just based off this volume here from these last couple of candlesticks, we had strong volume. So I knew that we had more ways to go up. I think overall my second price target was about $130. As soon as we pulled back, held the 9, I got in this play a little premature, a little YOLO. Again, I was very confident in what I was seeing, even though the volume was kind of slowing down. I got into the play right off the bounce off the 9. Took that, went into a 130 strike, bought several contracts on that, and rode it all the way up until I noticed that we tested this 128, 129. So we kind of tested that area several different times. As you can see right here, there's a cluster right here. Right here on this last one, I noticed that the volume switched. My indicator started to flip over. My MACD, RSI, we started tracking towards the RSI, and so I got out, and that was another 56% play. So 2 SPY plays, one for 53, the other one for 56. I'll live with that any day of the week, baby. Easy bag, easy 1200 off of SPY. And how long? Let's see, 6:30 to 7:50, about an hour and 20 minutes worth of work. But we just played it smart, man. One thing I did notice, we started selling off. We looked like 128. Couldn't really get into that 129. I think the high today is 128.99. Couldn't get to that 129. Figured that the market makers were jumping in there. You know, like I told you, they're marking off where their price targets are. Remember, they're pumping millions and millions of dollars. So they're the ones moving the market. So as you can see, the big supply zone starts selling off. Price started changing drastically. SPY started selling off. The Q started selling. Everything started selling off. And so, you gotta lock in them profits, right? I do have a runner that I left for the swing. I do think we'll get some more volatility tomorrow. So I'm very confident in that runner. I'm up in that runner right now, probably about 15%. But I'm cool with that. I'm very patient with it. I know this week is going to be super volatile with Amazon. So I'm cool with that. So those were my Amazon trades. let's talk about the SPY trade that I did. And it also was a call as well too. And I got into this right around this 14 area. I called it out on the Discord. I saw that we was doing some consolidating here after we actually gapped up at the bell. We started consolidating. Really couldn't. I call it chop suey. It was kind of choppy. Couldn't find a direction. But I was very confident. I set me a call line here or resistance at 414.89. As soon as we broke through there, I didn't even wait for this candle to get this wick to fill. I kind of figured we'll fill the wick. As soon as we broke through that resistance, I jumped in, made the call to the chat. SPY ran. We actually powered through the 415. That was a pre-market resistance that I made for a profit target. Then we got to 416. Saw that the sellers was trying to jump in here. By the second candle on the 5 minute, I just jumped out the play. Yeah, we're fully extended away from the 9. I didn't want to break below the 9. I checked the VIX as well, and I saw that the VIX was starting to gain some momentum. So I figured it was only a matter of time that SPY would start losing some of its value and start selling off. We consolidated for a while, several different opportunities here at 416. Like I said, I took my shillings off this green handle here. I was cool with it. It was a nice little 15% bag. Totally fine with it. Live to trade another day. And then the massive sellout. By the time we got to the sellout, I was done for the day. A little over $1,200 for the day. Not a bad day for a expected volatile day from Amazon. So I'll take that any day of the week. I thought about playing these puts. Knew it was heavy. Saw multiple rejections here at 416. Figured out the market would sell off. Didn't play any puts. I actually walked away from my my desktop and phone and everything, and I went to go work out. So those were the trades that I took. SPY was good. Amazon was definitely good. I'll be looking to hit up Amazon tomorrow as well too. Keep it really minimum. I don't want to get into many of the trades. If you follow me, if you're in the Discord, you know I do like 1 or 2 trades at a time. I don't get into multiple trades. Even though I have big screens here when I'm looking at multiple screens, I kind of just keep it simple, stupid. I don't over trade. I just stay right there in my wheelhouse, and I trade what I like and I trade what I know. And that's it, man. You already know who it is, man. Thanks for tapping in. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. I got the YouTube channel twerking right now. Twitter, Wall Street Shooter. Instagram, Wall Street Shooter. And if you're trying to join the Discord, the link is always in the bio. I got a lifetime pass going on right now. You pay one time, $3.99. No matter if the price changes, you're locked in for life until you cancel. $399. Get in there while you can. We still got, like I said, we got the Discord links in there. We have 4 different tiers that you can sign up for. Made it really recession-proof friendly. And let's, join the gang, join the squad. Let's go get it. BNP Capital. I'm Wall Street Shooter. I'm out. Peace, love. I'm out this day. Peace.